This EVS case study presents a time series analysis of subsurface temperature sensors installed to monitor progress of a Thermal Insitu Remediation, or TISR, system. The system consisted of 459 fiber optic sensors installed in 14 borings to a depth of 12 meters. Data were extracted for 2,480 hourly intervals over 102 days for a total of over 1,138,000 data points. We begin stepping through the data at the maximum temperatures detected in each sensor per day. The raw data are shown in the borings, and the fences use kriging to interpolate temperatures between borings. We have turned off the Krieg temperature fences to see the raw data from the fiber optic sensors in each boring. We have made the diameters of the data posts increase with increasing temperature values. Now we come to a key advantage of EVS. You can probe on any individual data point as indicated by the pink sphere and see the actual data measurement and the depth that was taken. This makes it fast and easy to access the desired data point from any boring and sensor on any desired day. In summary, EVS is outstanding for visualizing large time series databases, no matter what you are measuring. In this case, it is temperatures, but it could be analytical concentrations, pressures, moisture contents, or literally any data that you are collecting over time.